Did you know you can use the Jubilee TV app to set up reminders and notifications for your loved one that will appear on their TV screen? In the app, tap on the Notifications section. Towards the top of the screen, tap on the new notification link. Enter in the title and a short description of the notification you're creating. Once you've completed that, enter the date and start time in the next section and click the Done button. If this is something that you want to repeat, set up how often it will repeat along with the end date. If you do not need this particular notification to end, you can leave the repeat end date as never. Next, if this is a type of automated action, such as tuning to a specific channel because you want your loved one to watch a particular show, such as Wheel of Fortune or The Price is Right, tap on the Automated Actions section and then type in the command into the command box. If you want the television to automatically turn on when your reminder or notification is sent, tap on the Notify type and check the Turn on TV option, then click Done. Finally, it's time to set up the auto dismiss for the amount of time you would like to pass by before Cavo automatically dismisses the notification or reminder. You have the option to choose never if you want your loved one to have to dismiss it. Once you are finished, tap on the Add button and you can see that your notification has been added successfully. If you would like to receive a notification via email or text, make sure the Notify Me option has been turned on for you. Otherwise, you can turn it off, and you can see on the left-hand side what notifications are turned on. Our new mail time notification is currently turned on, whereas PT appointment is turned off. There's lots of possibilities for using notifications through the Jubilee TV app. You could use this for medication reminders, appointment reminders. You could use it to tune to specific television programs, even reminding your loved one to take your dog for a walk.